In this video, let's see how to get Google Sheet API key, integration with WhatsApp API. Log in into Salegrowy WhatsApp automation. In the dashboard, go to side menu bar, go to Contacts and click List. To import contacts from Google Sheet, click the Get API Key link, which will take you to the Google Cloud Console dashboard in a new tab window. Click on the project name drop-down in the top bar. In the dialog, either select an existing project or click New Project to create a new one. Make sure your desired project is selected. Use the search bar at the top of the Google Cloud Console and type Google Sheet API. Click on the Google Sheets API result. Click the blue Enable button to activate the Google Sheets API for your selected project. Once the API is enabled, navigate to the Credentials tab on the left-hand menu. Click the plus Create Credentials button at the top and select API Key from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear. Click the Create button. A dialog box will appear displaying your new API key string. Copy this key.